Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to discuss about one of the most important topic in OOPS concept, which is abstraction. The definition of abstraction is hiding the internal details or the internal implementation and showing the set of functionality to the user. Consider a real life example of a man driving a car. The man only knows that pressing the accelerators will increase the speed of a car or applying brakes will stop the car. But he doesn't know how on pressing the accelerator the speed is actually increasing. That means he doesn't know the internal implementation of an accelerator. He doesn't know about the internal mechanism of a car, how the accelerator and brake systems are working. He just knows that when pressing the accelerator, the speed of the car increases. Or when we press the brakes, the car will stop. He doesn't know the internal mechanism of or the implementation of a accelerator and brakes in the car. This is what abstraction is. This abstraction is achieved by the interfaces and abstract classes. Let me discuss an simple example. The first and foremost thing is an abstract class must be declared with an abstract keyword. See here, I have declared this class with the abstract keyword so that this class has become now as the abstract class. This class can have the abstract methods and normal methods also. Like for example, abstract void accelerator. This is the abstract method. First of all, what is abstract method? A method which is declared as abstract and does not have implementation is known as abstract method. That means a method which is declared with the abstract keyword and doesn't have the implementation. That means it doesn't have the method body. So that this method is considered as an abstract method. And we can also have the normal methods. Normal methods like void, I'm saying break. Inside this is so. I'm just simply saying the brakes are working. In the next class, in order to override the method and provide the implementation for the accelerator, that means here the definition of the abstraction defines like hiding the internal implementation of the accelerator and showing the functionality to the end user. That means we are showing how the accelerator works when we press the accelerator. That means the speed of the car increases. That is visible to the end user, but the mechanism inside the accelerator doesn't been shown to the end user. Providing the implementation. To provide the implementation, we need to extend the abstract demo method. Add unimplemented methods, control delete, sys out the accelerator works fine. Control Shift format, Control save. Now I will just simply do the main method. In the main method, I just want to create the object for the child class demo test dt equal to new demo test. dt dot accelerator dt dot break. Control Shift format. Now let me run the class. Run as Java application. See here, this is the output for both the methods. And also we can write like this, like demo dt equal to new demo test. Control Shift format. Like this also we can write. For example, run as Java application. That means here runtime polymorphism, like we are instantiating the child class, creating the object for the child class. And another thing is we cannot instantiate the abstract class, like demo d equal to new demo. Cannot instantiate the type demo because the abstract classes can't be instantiated. We can have constructors, like parameterized constructor. What I am doing here is I am taking two instance variables like int id, string name. By pressing the Alt Shift S and generate constructor using fields, I am just simply generating the constructor. See here, implicit super constructor demo is undefined for default constructor, must define an explicit constructor. So click on add, control delete. This super id command name is suggesting or is pointing to the parent class constructor. Like for example, here if I declare open implementation, it is showing the parent class parameterized constructor. Control save. I am just simply initializing the values 1, I am saying Anish. Control Shift format, Control save. Run as Java application. Sorry. Sys out. I have to call those by using the reference variable id, dt, the name. Control Shift format, Control save. Let me run this. Run as Java application. See here 1, Anish. In this way we can write the parameterized constructor, normal constructor, default constructors also we can use inside the abstract class. Another thing is we can write static void hello2. I am writing hello2 method, which is a static method. Static methods can't be overridden inside the static method. Control Shift format. Static methods can't be overridden. Then how the static methods can be called? It can be called by using the class name demo.hello2. Control Shift format, Control save. See here, run as Java application inside the static method. In this way the static methods can be called. It can have, these abstract classes can have final methods also. Final void hello 3 I'm saying. Inside the final instance method, control shift format, control save. These final methods also can't be overridden. I'm saying dt dot hello 3, control shift format, control save. These final methods also can't be overridden. See here inside the final instance method. See, for example, here if I remove the final, here final void hello 3 is there. I just want to override it in the child class hello 3. If I press control space means here it is not coming. We cannot override the method, final methods. If I remove here the final keyword and save this class and write here hello 3, see here override method in demo void. We can override the method, final method. But if I write here final means it will throw the error like cannot override the final method from demo class. I'm just removing it, control save. We can have default constructors also, like for example public demo inside the default constructors, control C. I'm just making the commenting the parameterized constructor. Let me run this. Run as Java application. See here inside the default constructor it's a printing. This way, this is the complete examples on this is the complete example on abstraction default constructor. Like this is the best example on abstraction. Thank you.